Paul from Steering Wheel Restoration. Here we have a Land Rover Series 1, 2 horn and dip switch setup. These are made of Bakelite originally, and as you can see they're wiring a switch gear in the back of them. We actually manufacture a new push and bezel, but all the internals then need assembling, including the switch here, onto the new panel. The chances are, if this one was dismantled, all the studs here would probably snap or twist in the original moulding. This customer requested us to retain his original, and we've done the best we can with it, making it shiny. We've also highlighted the dip here, which is a little bit of graphics on there, but this had probably worn quite low, so it was only possible to make it so good. But that's a Land Rover Series 1, 2, and that's an original horn and bezel assembly.